Welcome back, everybody. Just a quick documentary. So I've got this Green Machine 62-volt battery system, and it's a chainsaw. And as I was using it, it kept shutting off on me. So when I came back and tried to charge it on this charger right here, it gave me an error. And so uh, as with customary, when things break, we take it apart. And I found that in this series of batteries, there's certain batteries that were very, very low on voltage. The overall voltage was only at 58 volts, which is lower than even the nominal voltage here. So, and come to find out, some of the cells were very, very low. So this was 2.8 volts. This one's at, I think, 3.2. So this is within tolerance, but this one wasn't. So what we're doing is we're just targeting the individual cells and we're charging them up with our benchtop power supply. All right, if you ever run into problems like this, intermittent use or battery charging issues, this is one way you can go about repairing the battery pretty quickly without doing too much dissection. All right, I hope this helps you. Good luck.